welcome to Discovering Natural channel. And yeah, so I have Eniola right here. She's sitting on the little chair because we're the same height now. She's just a tad bit bigger than me. Yeah, so today is exciting. Why is it exciting? Because guess what, we have an unboxing for you. So it's available to be pre-ordered on walmart.com by January 2020, which is just a few days from now. The product line that we're talking about, it's called Hairitage by Mindy. Now you all might just wonder that who in the world is Mindy? This is the logo, this is the box that it came in, and Mindy McKnight is actually the mom to 6 children. So Cute Girls Hairstyle, they have a YouTube channel. We started watching them as a YouTube channel for a long time, and I more than her, because when I started watching, I would get ideas on how to style our hair in simple style. We met Cute Girls Hairstyles. We met Mindy, Sean, and our daughter Brooklyn Bailey. We met them at VidCon. This was like 2 years ago, and Eniola was waiting in line forever to meet them. So it was kind of nice to meet them, and me and the mom, we had a chit chat afterwards, just talking about the kids here and everything. So when she came out with this line, I was pretty excited, and I was like, yeah, we know, let's support. Why not, right? Let's open the product. So opening the product, we have a card right there.
Yes, and it says Hairitage by Mindy McKnight. And it says that I'm so excited to introduce you to #Hairitage by Mindy. Hairitage is a vegan and cruelty-free care line that is crafted from naturally derived ingredients. Our tailor-made assortment of products and rigid no list.
Yeah.
The needs for every hair type and every family.
Yeah, so they have a lot of no list. So look at the no list. So this is all the no. So they have it's sulfate free, palette free, paraben free, silicone free, gluten free, aluminum free, mineral oil free. Now I know that this is just a few products in their line. So this box comes like this. And in here, let's see what is it. I love the packaging. First of all, we have the Hairitage Outta My Hair Gentle Daily Shampoo. Okay, so this is a shampoo. And then they also have the Hairitage S.O.S Deep Moisture Restore Conditioner. And it provides deep hydration and rejuvenation. It rejuvenates the hair. And that's what this looks like. And here, the smaller package, this is the Transform a Hair Mask, and this is the Mask-querade. I love how I love how she like names it. This is Mask-querade, okay? And it comes in this cute jar. That's why I'm like, I love the packaging, because look how cute this jar is. It's so adorable. And this is 8 fluid ounces. It looks small. This is 13 fluid ounces, and this is
also 13
fluid ounces. And in here we get a sachet. This is so cute. So in here, you know, I mean, when she told me about this, I was just like, oh, this is genius, because who is a natural hair girl that wouldn't love to have a silk pillowcase?
Oh my god. I
look how long this is. This is a silk pillowcase. It is long, and so this comes in the packaging, and it's so cute. And also we also have towels, and they come in this little knitted bag thing, and we have towel. So this is like a dryer. Dry your hair, and so you can put your hair. So after washing our hair, we're gonna put it, and it has button. There's a button right over there, and you just connect with the hair and go it like that. So we can't see Eniola's face. So we just wet her hair, and her face is right over there, of course. So I'm going to show you with this. We're going to start off with using the Outta My Hair shampoo. This says to be a gentle daily shampoo, but you know we don't wash our hair daily, so it says this daily shampoo for all hair type pairs well with any of their conditioner, sulfate free, pellet free, paraben free, gluten free, mineral oil free, color safe. So if you have colored hair, you can use this. Vegan and cruelty free. This is the consistency. It's a very light milky consistency. The smell,
oh, it smells good.
yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The smell, it smells very soft and very, I think very soft, and it's not too flowery, and it's not too, it doesn't even smell medical. It smells like, what does it smell like? Very relaxing.
And it's not like those shampoos that have like that thick.
Yeah, this is a very light shampoo.
Yeah.
So I'm just gathering our hair. I'm gonna walk in sections. You can see it easily foams in the hair. Some people say don't shampoo the length of the hair, but I always take it to the length of the hair, because if your hair is dirty, we want it to be shampooed right. Yeah, but these are here. We're gonna go rinse it out, and we'll be right back. We are back, and we've cleansed the scalp. She has a little bang going on now, so I'm gonna show you what a scalp. Oh, this is so cute if you had a bang, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show, oh my gosh, I like it. So I'm gonna show you what a scalp looks like, to show you how clean a scalp is. So let's use our gold comb.
I got it for her.
Yeah,
Let
she
me
got it
just
for
say
me.
that.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom right in, because that is how we'll know if it's thoroughly clean. Because that scalp was, I'm not gonna say anything. Yeah, so this is a scalp. You guys can see it's very, very clean. The shampoo did an excellent job. So the next thing we're gonna try is the
Deep Moisture and Restore Conditioner.
This contains a lot of good oils like macadamia oil, marshmallow root extract, which tells me that this will be good for detangling. It's a liquidy consistency like that. Okay.
And I like how, like I already said this, but I like how it's not like strong, because
Yeah.
you notice that in a lot of hair products, all their products smell like so strong, and this one, it's like you could smell it, but it's not always in your face, you know?
Now I'm just gonna twist our hair up. The second one we got, this is the Mask-querade Transform Hair Mask. So the difference between a deep conditioner that they have and a hair mask is much heavier in consistency. So I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. It's well sealed, so as to show you that it's well protected. So this is the hair mask. So the hair mask is much thicker. So if you want to do like your weekly deep conditioning, this is what you use. Is a thick consistency. Look at that. You see, it's much thicker. So for our hair texture, I feel most people will like this thicker mask. So this thicker mask will be good for if you're doing a good deep conditioning. And with this mask, you keep it in the hair for how long?
5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. So I think our hair will like this more, you know. So you guys see how thick this is. And it's nice. And this one, the ingredients of this product, this contains, we're gonna read the ingredients: agave oil, shea butter, macadamia nut oil, acacia, noni fruit, and aloe. So we've put this product in our hair. It's been about 3 minutes now, and this is what I'm talking about. You guys, you see how I can easily comb it? That's because of that marshmallow root. Okay, marshmallow root gives good sleep, so this will work well as a detangling conditioner for our hair. I applied the this one, the S.O.S restorative conditioner on this side, and on this side I applied the Mask-querade hair mask, the transforming hair mask on this side. One thing I noticed was that this was really easy to detangle, and you can see she has absolutely no product buildup. Like, it penetrated so well into our hair, and it was really nice and soft. And on this other side, I applied the hair mask, and you know, mask is much heavier, so you see the mask actually, it sits on the hair, but it also penetrated, and it feels soft too. I was able to easily detangle both of the sections. So we're gonna wait, and I'm going to let her just marinate for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back and rinse the hair and tell you what we think about both sides. So we finished, and we wrapped our hair up in the towel. The towel is very plush. When I say plush, it's nice and fluffy. So overall, this has a very light feel, but this one feels as if there's more, and you can even see, if you look at it, you guys can tell that this one is more expanded and this one is kind of more subdued, right? Subdued. Okay, so overall, which one would you prefer to be using?
This one.
This one. So this one can be used just like a light conditioner stuff, and yeah. So I wonder if you can use it as a leave-in. I don't know. But that is our full review of this line. We are so excited. I'm gonna get down here. We're so excited, and congratulations to Mindy and her family, and I hope you guys go check it out. Remember, it's gonna be on Walmart's shelf January 2020 yeah. Anyway, okay, so thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. I'm so tired.
We'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it to the world, and we'll see you guys in another video.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.